Welcome back. Let's get you updates on the aftermath of the cyclone. Fenjal is concerned that continues to wreak havoc in Tamil Nadu, impacting several regions across the state. When it comes to Villupuram and also other districts which have been experiencing landslides triggered by heavy rainfall, which has caused significant damages to the region. In one of the most alarming incidents, houses that have been completely buried under a mudslide, trapping 7 family members. Emergency response teams that have been continuing, including 30 officers from the NDRF, that are said to be involved in rescue operations. The relentless rains and landslide that have intensified the challenges for the authorities as they are working together to assist the affected people and the families as well. Let's get in a word from Varshni, who is joining us right now. Varshni, the impact that is such that the trail of devastation it is now left behind, all of that is now being assessed.
Absolutely, yes. This is really unfortunate to see because Cyclone Fenjal made its landfall at around 7 p.m. On the night of 30th November, and it's December 2nd now, and still we can see the aftermath because not just Puducherry, though Puducherry was severely devastated due to the Cyclone Fenjal. Now we are seeing that this cyclone has weakened into a depression, but it's still keeping moving, and it is moving towards the southwest direction of Tamil Nadu, and we are able to see that it's moving to Villupuram, Tiruvannamalai, Krishnagiri, Salem, Dharmapuri districts of Tamil Nadu, and extremely heavy rainfall is pouring over these districts as well, and these districts are also starting to flood at this point of time. Though the IMD stated that once it's starting to weaken, its intensity would reduce, but still we are able to see that almost 50 centimeter plus rainfall is being recorded at many places in these districts, and therefore after what we saw happen to Chennai and then what we saw happening to Puducherry, now we are seeing the similar situation happening in other districts as well. When it comes to Chennai and Puducherry, Chennai is come back to its normal life, but now Puducherry we are seeing slowly being restored to normalcy.
So it will take on the rescue operations as well, where a family that is believed to have been trapped because of a mudslide that was triggered by incessant rainfalls because of this cyclonic storm. Thank you very much, Varshni, for joining us here on the broadcast. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News Hour. We'll see you on the other side of a very short break.